12點15分，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，8號東北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺正午12點，超強颱風摩羯集結喺香港之西南約400公里，即係喺北緯19.5度、東經111.8度附近。預料向西或西北偏西移動，時速約15公里，移向海南島至雷州半島一帶。過去數小時，摩羯繼續採取較為偏西嘅路徑移動，逐漸遠離本港。預料本地普遍風力會逐漸減弱。天文台會喺下晝12點40分改發3號強風信號。同摩羯相關嘅雨帶今日仍然會影響珠江口一帶，為本港帶嚟狂風驟雨，雨勢有時頗大，間中有猛烈陣風，海有大浪及湧浪。市民應遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，昂坪、大老山及長洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時80、69及56公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時103、89及73公里。有關最新天氣資訊，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分同埋踏正嘅報導。
12:15 in the afternoon, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 northeast, gale or storm signal, is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 kilometers per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At noon, Super Typhoon Yagi was centered about 400 kilometers southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 19.5 degrees north, 111.8 degrees east, and is forecast to move west, or west-northwest, at about 15 kilometers per hour, towards the vicinity of Hainan Island, to Leizhou Peninsula. In the past few hours, Yagi continued to take a more westerly track, and departed gradually from Hong Kong. General winds over Hong Kong are expected to weaken gradually. The observatory will issue the strong wind signal, number 3 at 12:40 in the afternoon. The rain bands associated with Yagi will still affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary, bringing squally showers to Hong Kong. Showers will be heavy at times. There will be violent gusts occasionally. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nongping, Tate's Cairn, and Chung Chau were 80, 69, and 56 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 103, 89, and 73 kilometers per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on every hours of 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報告完畢。